Hey guys, how's it going this evening? We're kind of tired. Tired? You've done nothing all day. Yeah, but it's time for bed. It's not, absolutely not time for bed. It's like 4 o'clock in the afternoon. It's already getting dark. Well, that's true. It is December, and we've spoken about the winter solstice is coming. So, you know what the solstice is? Guys, we're kind of a science channel, so we probably need to know a little bit about things like the solstices. And remember when we were at the sun tunnels, we spoke extensively about the summer solstice, the winter solstice, and the equinox. All right. Anyway, well, that'll be a different video. We'll have to cover it again. But today, we were driving down the road. We're in Kanab, Utah, and we saw this trailhead. And then we looked on our map, and it said Dinosaur Tracks. I think I see one. Do you? Are you sure? Yep, right there. That says Nike. I'm pretty sure that is not I think it's a dinosaur track. All right, entering public lands. Okay, so let's see. We're gonna start climbing. I'm getting out of breath. I'm the one doing most of the work here. Okay, oh wow, look here. So we're climbing uppity up. Oh God, I about fell over. Okay, and we go here to the right. This is I thought this was just gonna be a super easy peasy lemon squeezy trail. Oh my gosh. All right. I think I see one. What, a dinosaur track? Right there. That says Adidas. That is not a dinosaur. All right. Oh my gosh. This is actually a bit of a, wait. I thought this was just going to be an easy trail. Okay. Oh my gosh. Look how far up we've climbed already. All right. Ow. So I almost fell over. I don't think you did. I think that was me. Well, actually, now that you mention it, if I had fallen over, you probably would have too. I think I see one. Oh, right there. That says Timberland. That's a type of boot. Did dinosaurs wear boots? I don't think so. But I wasn't around back then, so I'm really not so sure. All right, I think we're getting closer. I think I see one. Okay, wait, that right there, that says Reebok. That's you guys are nutty. Okay guys, so we've made it to the top. There's our car. We hiked a long way. No wonder we're so tired. You hiked a long way. All right, let's, I'll let you keep believing. Don't stop believing. Are you singing Journey? I think so. We love Steve Perry. You guys know so much about rock history. All right, look, we've already found some dinosaur tracks. That doesn't look like much of a dinosaur track. It kind of does if we step back here. Look, you can see, the foot bone itself, and then it looks like 3 digits. It looks like it's the right foot, but I don't know. I'm not a paleontologist. But look, oh my gosh, look at this one. That's very distinctive. That was a dinosaur when it rained last week. That was not. No, these dinosaurs are tens of millions of years old. And they're still walking around? No, these are fossils. Do you know what a fossil is? It's a dinosaur bone. Well, a dinosaur bone is a fossil, but a fossil doesn't necessarily mean it's a dinosaur bone. A fossil is basically a trace of ancient life. It has to distinguish life. So tracks themselves, even though they are not actual dinosaurs, tracks indicate and are representative that life was here. Oh my gosh, that's where dinosaurs actually, oh, these are fantastic. And a very distinctive footprint. I hope the camera is picking this up. Oh, these are great. Just absolutely superb on this little trail. Look at this one. Look how deep this is. Oh, so many tracks. Oh my gosh, look at this one. I love this one. I do too. I think this one is maybe it's my favorite so far that we've seen today. It's my favorite too. Well, tell me what you think about this. It looks like a footprint. It does, doesn't it? Do you think that's the right or the left? I don't know. Well, I'm kind of thinking it's the right footprint, because if you look, so this is it's a three-toed, like a frog. What? You said toad. No, that's ridiculous. You guys, no, look, I think it has 3 digits. Let's take a closer look. All right, that's a great idea. Okay guys, now that you have a closer look, what do you think about it? Looks like a dinosaur. Well, that is an astute observation. What kind of dinosaur do you think it is? I have no idea. All right, well, did you bring your notes from the visitor center? No. You didn't bring your notes? I picked up an extra copy for you. We forgot them. All right, well, luckily I have mine, okay? So let's take a look at the size of this footprint. How big do you think it is? 1 foot. You mean as in like 1 foot, the measurement, or just 1 foot? I don't know. All right, well, did you bring your measuring stick? No. Well, you're ultra prepared, aren't you? So much for being scientists. All right, look, luckily I brought my measuring stick. All right, if we look at the legend here, we can see that about half of the footprint is about 20 centimeters. And if we look at our measuring stick, we can see that about half the footprint is about 15 centimeters. So that kind of makes sense, I think, because if we look at some of these others that are on this list, we have Brasilicinum. I can pronounce it. All right, how do you pronounce it? Brasilicinum. That's worse. That's worse than what I said. All right, then we have Otozoum, and then we have Kayentapus, and none of those footprints look to be the same. And then let's see if we have any others. Okay, those are the only ones that we received at the visitor center. So from our choice that we have of dinosaurs that used to be in this area, Kayentapus. So that is going to be my guess. Are you a paleontologist? No, I'm not a paleontologist, so that should be duly noted in this video. But just from our observations, our measurements, and a comparison with known dinosaurs that inhabited this area and left footprints, I'm going to give a hypothesis. Is that kind of like a theory? It's not quite a theory. Anyway, my hypothesis is that this is Kayentapus. Kayentapus. but why do you think it's Kayentapus? All right, so let's think about like the scientific observations that we've made. So we have a resource that we received from the visitor center telling us which dinosaurs are in this area and are known to have left tracks. All right, that's number one. So we can compare our sample that we're looking at here, and we can make a comparison observation to what we know about it. So we can observe visually that we have 1, 2, 3 digits, and we can look at our measuring stick and we notice it is 30 to 40 centimeters in length from the heel to the middle digit. And if we compare that to the resource that we have Brasilicinium, and that footprint has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. Then Otozoum, and that has 1, 2, 3, 4 digits. And then Brachiochopus, which has 1, 2, 3, 4 digits. And then we turn the page, and then we have Graylator, which, if we look at the footprints, it has 3 digits, and Graylator has 3 digits. So it is possible just from the number of digits. However, if we take a closer look, its length of its footprint is about 10 centimeters. But if we look at Kayentapus, the size of its footprint compares more closely with what we actually have a sample of. We're using our visual observations and our measurements, and we're comparing it to known samples that are in the area. So just based on those facts, we're kind of using a scientific exploratory device to determine that we hypothesize that this is Kayentapus. Well, guys, what did you think about this hike? We loved it. What was your favorite part? Well, I'm waiting. I don't remember. You guys are just like short-term memory, right? But didn't you enjoy and love seeing the dinosaur fossil? I didn't see a dinosaur fossil. No, you certainly did. You saw a footprint. And by definition, a footprint is a trace of ancient life. So it's a fossil. And do you remember which dinosaur footprint we saw? Kayentapus. Yes. You know, I think when you tell me that you don't remember, I'm pretty sure you're just kind of trying to wind me up a little bit and get me riled up, but it doesn't work. All right, well, this was a great hiking trip. Yeah, just outside of Kanab, just a couple of miles out. Quick trail. It is steep, but it's pretty short. Definitely, if anyone is going to do this hike, I would recommend that you stop by the Kanab Visitor Center and speak with the let's see, they were either forest rangers or BLM rangers. I don't remember, but whatever branch of the service, but whichever service they were part of, fantastic. Talked to a gentleman there. I don't remember his name, but he certainly gave some terrific information. All right, Leph and Moo. All right, are you guys going to sign out for the night? Can we go get coffee now? You know, it's kind of late for coffee. You're going to be up all night.